Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to remove echo from your audio in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Note that this feature is only available in Studio version of DaVinci Resolve, so you'll need to purchase it to use this tool. First, go to Fairlight panel, which is where all the advanced audio tools are located. Then, select the audio clip that you want to clean up. Then locate the mixer panel on the right. Now go to turn on the voice isolation in the mixer menu. This tool is a great for removing echo, reverb, and background noise from speech recordings. Then increase the voice isolation percentage gradually. Adjust the voice isolation slider to control how much echo is removed. And a setting between 50 to 80% usually works best without making the voice sound unnatural. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully removed echo from your audio in DaVinci Resolve Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.